current role, we have the responsibility of revenue generation from the digitally acquired clients through the various financial products by setting up the processes as well as the team. And this involves managing the whole wheel of the client life cycle management. And I have started my career as a ground salesperson, and it gives lots of excited to starting up any processes or any task or accepting the new challenges. So this is a lots of excitement. So in my previous assignment, I had set up the digital acquisition team as well as the process, how the acquisition can happen, how the team will have the process adherence also, which I started with the zero acquisition and take it to the 20,000 a month acquisition piece, zero member team to a 60 member team. So in the span of 2 years, this is how zero became the 20,000 numbers. So I have also started worked in the project development where the process improvement was to be there, increasing the productivity for the 1,500 fleet on street for the 3,000 branches, and how to bring the control, how does controlling mechanism will work, and the structure of the how ground monitoring should be done. This is all about me. Okay, answer is that well, sales is all about numbers and reaching to the desired numbers. That is all sales. So you have to chase the numbers. Again, it was quite visible that AI and digital is becoming the future. The field sales is turning to the digital sales. So I started focusing on acquiring the knowledge on the artificial intelligence, machine learning, the product innovation, digital transfer in the last 3 years. So I acquired the knowledge. I enrolled into the inside also in for my AI and ML certification. So digital revolution is something which is the biggest revolution, which is going to change, and which is changing right now also. I consider data science is also part of the digital revolution. I believe there are lots of innovation will keep on coming on the current existing process. This is whole maybe it may last for 1 or 2 decades. So then you can go to the next level. Data science, I believe that which was there thousands of years ago also. As long as it is exists in the as long as human exists in the earth, that will be there. Only thing that nomenclature will keep on varying, the methodologies will keep on varying, the technology will keep on varying. So data science is a part of human at any point in time. Only thing is that techniques keep on changing. In digital world, data plays a significant role. Okay, and it requires on a setting of a process. You need to know the past behavior, past analysis, how to current process, that current process, how data science can work, how the where the intelligence to be put in, how then again monitoring those systems, then improvising monitoring those systems through the data, then improvising, putting up the lots of mechanism, auto processes. So this all requires so it will play a bigger role in my current organization. The methodology is always different in a different industry, so you have to always certain adopt from what is prevailing and what other industry are prevailing. We will use the available AI tools to strengthen our digital processes. When I chose, there were other institutes also. There were other courses I have attended, but what I liked about was vision which Suchit has shared, which I had also the same view. And when mindset and thought process is clear on doing better, the course will always reflect that. And it did also. I believe in the past 2-3 years, NSET has made a brand name because of this vision. It may have benefited thousands of cohort also. So it helped me a lot on the strategic thinking, the perception, how a process looks to be looked into, how it can be improved, how it can be automated, what is the different parameters, and thinking in the each detail has helped me a lot. In typical our mindset, whenever we learn something, we do as any certification, it's always for a better job and better money from what we are doing right now. But the true reality is not the job what we do it which makes us successful. It is how we do it. It's the passion, it's dedication, and the value addition which put into the make us grow. We should learn and keep us applying our knowledge what we are doing today and how it can be improved, and be open to do it better every day basis, or typically in the progressive manner you have on monthly basis. Everyone has to start from zero. The knowledge certification may give us an advantage to begin with a level 2, level 3, or level 5 to a journey of 100. But many of people drop out because of the fatigueness and other thing. Only few get the chance to go to reach to 100. So what we need to do is we need to do love what we are doing it, complain less, or complain less. If you complain, then this is find a better one. This is no, may not be the job, which may not take you anywhere. You have to keep on, either you move on or try to do it a better way. You should not never give up. Keep on trying it in a better way. Whatever the job you are having, you have to champion on what you are doing it. So that's the key to success. That's a true to the data science also. So focus what you are learning and applying the knowledge on regular basis, on the daily basis. Yeah, thank you.